Hello everyone! Is your PC or laptop running slower than it should? Before you think about upgrading your hardware, let me show you 2 Windows settings that could make your computer feel faster in just a few minutes. Let's get started. Step 1. First, click the Start button and open Settings. Search for Adjust the Appearance and Performance of Windows. Open it. Now select Adjust for Best Performance. After that, enable only these 2 options. Click Apply, then OK. Now press Windows plus R to open the Run dialog. Type msconfig and press Enter. Go to the Boot tab and click Advanced Options. Check Number of Processors and select the highest number available. Then check Maximum Memory. Leave it at the maximum value shown by your PC. Click OK, then Apply, and OK again. Finally, restart your computer. After restarting, see if your PC feels smoother and faster. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more easy computer tips and fixes. Thanks for watching.